Henan Tianji Tyre Co. Limited. Was founded on December 21, 2020, located at No. 2009, Fajan Avenue, Boai Economic and Technological Development Zone. Covering a total area of 299,000 square meters. The integrated industrial park contains complete production workshops, professional R&D laboratories, standardized inspection rooms and intelligent storage areas. The company now employs over 1,900 staff members, including professional R&D engineers, quality control specialists, production technicians and global sales teams. We focus on independent research, structural design, automated manufacturing and global sales of eco-friendly, high-performance all-steel and semi-steel radial tires. With a current annual capacity of 2.1 million units of all-steel truck and bus radial tires and 5 million pieces of passenger car radial tires. Covering tire specifications for trucks, buses, sedans, SUVs and MPVs to meet diverse market demands. The company has gained multiple official industry honors, including National High-Tech Enterprise, Henan Provincial Specialized, Refined, Unique and Innovative SME and Henan Innovative SME. We have respectively built provincial and municipal engineering technology research centers, enterprise technology centers and a Henan Provincial Intelligent Workshop, forming a stable platform for product iteration and process optimization. Strict standardized management runs through all production links, and we hold full system certifications such as IATF 16949, ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, and ISO 50001. All finished tires undergo comprehensive offline testing before delivery. Our products pass China's mandatory 3C certification, as well as widely recognized international accreditations including US DOT, EU EC/EMARC, Brazilian Metro, Indonesia SNI, Gulf GCC, Saudi SESO, and Malaysia SIRAM, supporting smooth market access in global regions. Taking innovation as the core development direction, we focus on continuous technical upgrading, stable R&D input, whole process quality control and long-term brand development. The enterprise introduces mature global manufacturing equipment and gathers experienced industry professionals to carry out research on new rubber materials, low-resistance tread structures and energy-saving production processes. Up to now, we own 41 authorized patents covering invention, utility model and design types, establishing our independent intellectual property system. With reliable product performance and complete certification support, our tires are exported to over 40 countries and regions across Europe, the Americas, Southeast Asia, the Middle East, and Africa. We maintain long-term cooperation with overseas distributors and vehicle manufacturers, offering customized product matching and full-cycle technical services. Currently, we steadily advance the expansion project of eco-friendly radial tire production lines and orderly complete preparation work for NASDAQ listing. Once the expansion project is fully put into operation, our annual capacity will reach 5 million all-steel truck and bus radial tires and 20 million passenger car radial tires. Based on existing market layout and industry demand, we estimate the annual revenue will exceed 10 billion yuan when the factory runs at full designed capacity. Guided by the tenet integrity wins worldwide, quality builds a sustainable foundation. We take root in central China, serve domestic clients and expand global business scope. We keep practicing low-carbon production standards and commit to supplying safe, stable and eco-friendly tire solutions for global users. In future development, Tianji Tyre will balance capacity expansion, technical research and brand operation, fulfill social responsibilities and pursue win-win growth with industrial partners and society. We will continuously upgrade our product system and overseas service network, aiming to develop into a respected high-tech tire manufacturer with broad global market recognition.